Spelling, week 30. This is an assessment and review week. Number 1, getting. Getting. We are getting good at spelling words. Getting. Number 2, you've. You've grown a lot taller this year. You've grown a lot taller this year. Number 3, driving. Driving. She is driving to the store. Driving. She is driving to the store. Number 4, mommy. Mommy. You call your mother mommy. Mommy. Number 5, butter. Butter. It's delicious to put butter on fresh bread. Butter. Butter. Number 6, puppet. Puppet. We go to the park and watch a puppet show. Puppet. Number 7, daddy. Daddy. Another word for father is daddy. Daddy. Number 8, aren't. Aren't. Aren't you going into 4th grade next year? Aren't. Aren't. Number 9, chasing. Chasing. The dog is chasing the ball. Chasing. Chasing. Number 10, hopping. Hopping. The bunny is hopping across the field. Hopping. The bunny is hopping. Number 11, gallop. Gallop. When a horse runs, it's called a gallop. Gallop. Number 12, dizzy. Dizzy. The children were dizzy after riding the teacups. Dizzy. Number 13, using. Using. We are using lined paper. Using. Number 14, stepped. Stepped. The farmer stepped in something yucky. Stepped. The farmer stepped in something yucky. Stepped. Number 15, hadn't. Hadn't. She hadn't had a sunburn all summer long. Hadn't. Hadn't. Again, this was a review of weeks 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29.